Making merry, unveiling the joy in English phrases. Hello, dear viewers. Today we're diving into the joyful expression, making merry. It's a phrase that encapsulates celebration, joy, and often, a festive atmosphere. Stick with us as we explore this delightful expression, perfect for English language learners looking to add some sparkle to their vocabulary. Making merry is a phrase that means to enjoy oneself with others, often by celebrating, laughing, and having an enjoyable time. It's about indulging in fun activities and being in high spirits. This phrase is quite old, with roots reaching back to times when celebrations were a central part of life. The term, making merry, originates from the olden days when people would gather for feasts, sing, dance, and simply enjoy life. It's a phrase that has been passed down through generations, finding its way into literature, songs, and common speech, still retaining its original joyful connotations. Using making merry in a sentence is simple. It fits well into sentences that describe celebrations or happy gatherings. For example, the family was making merry at the wedding, laughing and dancing the night away. During the holidays, we love making merry with friends and sharing good cheer. Merrymaking is a universal concept, but making merry holds a special place in English-speaking cultures, often associated with traditional holidays like Christmas or New Year's Eve. It's a phrase that brings to mind warmth, togetherness, and good times shared with loved ones. We hope you've enjoyed learning about making merry and can incorporate this cheery phrase into your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the joy of communicating and sharing cultures. May you find many opportunities to make merry in your language learning journey. Farewell, and keep the merriment alive.